It is day 2, 12 o'clock, noon, high noon, and I've been outside working, and it looks like I have another hatchie. Oh, and another one that's hatched. Oh, look. Here are 2 wet birds, and one of them is white. Come here, babies. Let's turn you around. Oh, look. Hey, girls. I got 2 white birds now. I got her, and I got little Fluffy Fluff over here. Yay! Let's see. I still have one right here that needs to hatch out. It gets kind of difficult. Oh, they're all wet, but they're getting fluffy. So yeah, like I said, it gets pretty crowded in here. Okay, here's one more that hadn't hatched. Wait a minute, has that one hatched? Yeah, because somebody's just in it, hanging out there. Are you just hanging out? I'm just hanging out, waiting to eat. So again, it's very tempting to want to clear this up, but they need to stay in here. They need to stay warm. They need to dry out. And these 2 still need to hatch. As far as I'm aware, they had both pipped. Yeah, this one has definitely pipped right there. See that? That one has definitely pipped. And I know for a fact this one had. I just can't see it right now because of all of the mess. Aha! Someone is unzipping. And someone else is not. So I have to head to work. Oh, look at the little fluffies. Hey, little fluffies. I have to head to work in a few minutes. Hopefully, when I come back in about 3 hours, I will have an incubator full of fluffy peepers. And in order for that to happen, you need to get on the ball. This little booger head just is not moving. Now, does this mean we have a problem? No. See, she keeps sticking her little beak out. She's getting air. She's getting ready. She's just taking her time. She wants to make sure that everybody's watching, I guess. She's just not ready yet. And it's very important that we don't rush this. As you can see, I'm really crowded in here now. This bird is squashed up against the dome. And it is very, very, very tempting at this point to want to open the incubator and at least take some of this out. But I'm sorry, the dog wants to see. Come here, Scoshi. She loves the peeps. Look at her. She's like, oh, finally something that's smaller than I am. Anyway, like I said, so it was very, 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 very tempting to want to at least, because see, like this one over here is getting trampled. See the little feet sticking out to the side, but they're okay. They're all right. Everybody's fine. Don't worry about it. This too shall pass. So we're just going to keep watching and waiting and waiting and waiting. And sometimes when they see they're going to peck at stuff anyway. So sometimes, like when the hole is up like that and it sticks its beak out and the other birds see it, they actually kind of start pecking at the egg. And again, that kind of helps to encourage Lazy Daisy to make her appearance. And they're stepping all over her and knocking her around. And so she'll hatch when she's ready. She's almost ready. She's just taking her dear sweet time. It's now 2000 hours, 8 o'clock. And I'm still peepless in Seattle, North Carolina. This one chick just refuses to hatch. She is a total diva. And she's made virtually no progress. She's not even trying. Watch. There she is. The little poot. She's really not done much at all. Every once in a while you see her stick her little beak out. Like, I'm here, but I'm not doing anything because I know that you can't do anything until I make my appearance. This is the narcissist peep. Yeah, that's right. Peck her out of there. Get her. Yeah, good girl. At this point, I am like desperate to hold a peep. Look how fluffy. Look at all of the fluffiness in here. And I can't access any of it. None of it. Until she, yeah, get her. Until she comes out. I'm hoping that they'll keep pecking at her and she'll be like, okay, I'm coming out. Well, this is kind of a neat little shot. You can see her smacking her little mouth in there. It's kind of cute. In an annoying kind of way. Oh, hurry up.
Alright, it's 5:30 in the morning and I just heard a bunch of peeping, so I'm going to turn the light on and see what we got. Oh, hallelujah. Hallelujah. I think she hatched. Well, of all things in the world. Don't know where she is. Let me turn this around here. You know what really sucks? It's now hatch day for those. Oh, but I don't have to care for them. Their owner will come and get them. There's something right there. Oh, hey babies. Look at all the... Oh, there she is. Because look, she's still wet. Oh, she's pretty. She's pretty. Well, it's about doggone time. Diva. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go get my brooder ready. I mean, it's set up. I just didn't put any food or water or turn the heat on in there. She's not quite dry yet. I'm going to set up my brooder. And I'm going to go try to get a little bit more shut-eye. And then I'll be back in a couple hours to get her out. Hey, little diva bird, you sure are pretty. Hallelujah.